Something interesting in store for us today. Paul, in terms of the trade of the day within the property sector?
Well, I mentioned earlier that we had an existing position in Redefine, but that it was taken a couple of months ago on the basis that the Redefine team was likely to conclude or win, in a sense, the transaction regarding Fountainhead. I think that is not completely through the gate, but it's benefited from a re-rating. The share price has moved up quite nicely. So I was quite strongly convinced by Kundayi's comments about Hyprop, and our Hyprop is perfectly positioned at the moment, looks attractive. So given that we have low transaction costs in our global trader GT247.com portfolio, the opportunity then there is to lock in the gains on the Redefine position and switch that trade across to Hyprop. So that sounds good. Just decide on the fly, let's do it. So that
Kundayi, do you like what he's just decided on the fly?
I think so. I think when you see the opportunity, execute quickly. That's the right call.
Go to www.followhotstocks.com. You're going to get more detail.
Yes, so that will be, if you're on the mailing list, which has got about 4,000 members now, then you'll receive in the course of this afternoon this whole thing about, what we're doing today. And obviously that also then gives you a heads up for what's coming on the show that night. Not everybody's interested in everything. So if you're on the mailing list, then you can see which show is going to be addressing which sector and whether you've got stocks that are invested in that environment.